Ano meaning ng territory? Ang meaning ng territory ay isang pagmamay-ari na hindi talaga makukuha ng kahit na sino man. Kasi pinapasa na yan from generations to generations hanggang naging sayo, hanggang napamana ng pamilya na sayo. 'Di ba? Except lang kung babae ka. Kaya example, Moira. Ano pinagmamay-ari niya? Yung apelyido niya, Moira Territory. Pero nagpakasal man yan siya kay Andrew A. So ang pangalan nila, Moira A. Keep up the good work. Why only the keep up? Why only the keep up? Why only the Koreans is the good work? How about the Filipinos? How about the keep up here? The SB19, the Binibini, the Binenben. They're also doing a good work because they are OFW. Huh? They are going to the international just to provide healthcare to the community, huh? What is dandruff? Yun guys, yung kumakatik ka na lang talaga sa ulo mo kasi yung mahirap talaga yung lesson nyo, yung mahirap talaga yung physics tapos sinabihan ka pa ng